Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today honey we're gonna create a super duper soft natural everyday look, okay? And that's on period. Let's get it. We're back. All right guys, so I've been breaking out a lot lately and I don't know what's going on. I've been drinking a lot of water like I've been told to do so, and I don't know if I'm drinking the water in the wrong way or I'm drinking the wrong water, but it's not working for me. I don't know if I'm the only one, but the drinking all that water is not working for me, okay? So y'all need to stop lying to me. Tell me what's the real tea. Tell me what water y'all drinking. Tell me what cup y'all using so I can start using it too, because I need my skin to be clean. I had to get my hair up because it wouldn't let me be great, y'all. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already applied moisturizer on my face, and now I'm gonna moving into my primer. For primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer and really massage it into my skin. Now going in with the LA Girl Corrector Concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and correct in my dark spot. I'm gonna be leaving a little bit more extra concealer on top of the darker part that I have on my skin and really blend it in with the foundation. I'm going to be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer and in the shade Golden Toffee. I haven't been able to find the right perfect shade for my skin tone yet, but I'm still in the lookout. Using a brush, I'm going to be applying my foundation. I honestly like using a brush instead of a beauty blender just because I feel like the brush gets everywhere and like it blends in the foundation. Maybe I wouldn't say it blends in, but it just get everywhere on your face. Then you can go in with a beauty blender and just tap the foundation into your skin. Next step is concealer. Apply your concealer where you want to be highlighted, which is under your eyes, on your chin, above your lips, on your nose, and on your forehead. Then you want to go in with a beauty blender and really blend in your concealer. You can use a brush, but I prefer to use a beauty blender instead because I feel like it really pushes in the concealer into my skin. Now going in with my setting powder, I'm using the Juvia's Place in the color Gobi. I'm going to be setting the concealer. I am going to bake today. I usually don't like to bake, but I'm baking today. So let's get to it. To contour my face, I'm using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. I'm going to be using the darker shade and create 2 darker lines on my nose. I'm not making the line super duper dark like black, but I'm making it dark enough so you can see my nose contour, okay? And make sure you take it up to your brows so that way your nose can be more defined. I was gonna go and continue to use the Contour Cream Kit from Anastasia, but I was like, I've never really used a cream kit before, so I was like, let me go ahead and go back to what I know. Okay, baby? The True Complexion Contour Kit is gonna get me there. So that's what I went ahead and used. Now I'm going in with a smaller brush and blend in the cream on my nose so that way it can be defined, you know? Yeah, ready to see a trick? Boom, eyebrows. Okay, baby, if you don't have eyebrows, like, what you doing? What you doing? Get you some eyebrows, baby. They got fake eyebrows now. If you don't have any eyebrows at all, you can shave the little bit that you have, buy them fake eyebrows online, and apply your eyebrow. All you need is a wet towel, a wet rag, whatever it is. Tap them fake eyebrows on your eyebrow, and then dab the wet towel, and then boom, baby, you got eyebrows. Applying some mascara on my bottom lashes because I don't know what happened. I don't know, I don't have any. For some lashes, a boom, okay? You cannot go wrong with lashes, okay? Those are not that big. I know a lot of people who don't like lashes at all, but if you have never tried to wear lashes, that's probably the only reason why you say you don't like lashes. Because lashes make such a big statement. It changed your whole personality. I know it changed my personality. It changed your look. It changes everything, okay? And you can never go wrong with some lashes. Going in with some Vaseline, I'm gonna go ahead and get my lips together. You guys will thank me later, okay? Just get you some Vaseline and moisturize your lips. Keep your lips looking juicy at all times, okay? And Vaseline, honey, will help you, will save your life. I got my black crown from the hair store, and that's what I'm gonna be using to align my lips today. So, oh my gosh, why? Pookie is on, Pookie. But anywho, don't worry about it, because we're gonna be cleaning it with concealer. Add some lip gloss to your lips, baby, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need for your lips, okay? We're not gonna do all the extraness for today because, again, this is supposed to be a natural, everyday look. Girl, stop it. Stop. Setting spray. Spray your face, set your face, because you know you're gonna be sweating when you go outside, especially if you live in Florida and you already know. So set your face, baby, set it. Oh, okay, I forgot. Your highlight. You want to apply your highlight, and I'm using the Juvia's Place highlighter, Royalty One. If you stayed that long watching this video, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and please make sure you click that subscribe button, okay? Subscribe. Places that I usually like to put my highlight, where I want to shine the most, okay, honey? And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you do for your look. And go ahead and let your hair down and just pose. Yes, yes, get it. Okay, somebody was calling me. I don't know who it was, but that's pretty much it, you guys. It came out looking very cute, very pretty. I was so happy to make this look, to create this look, because yes, get it. And y'all can't tell me I ain't cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much. See you on my next one.